Guys, welcome to a new video. You are joining me here in Scotland today, and the place I'm passing right now, as you can see, is called the Greenwelly shop, which just passed, and it's like a service station where you stop for fuel and stuff, and it's just before we head to the destination where I initially want to go, which is the Glencoe that I want to show you here in this video. The journey that I've started is actually from Glasgow. Now Glasgow to the video location where I've just started this video, it's about an hour and a half drive. You will be actually seeing a Highland driving experience in this video that I wanted to share with you guys. All the clips that you are seeing are captured using my dashcam, so nothing cinematic, and I tell you what, you really need to see it with your own guys, what the true beauty is. On the way to Glencoe, this is a viewpoint that you will actually come across. I've given the postcode, and I would also highly recommend you to stop here for a quick snap. There's the view there is just incredibly beautiful. Now while in process of editing this video, I got very involved and drew in to find out a lot more about Glencoe, a bit about this mountain. Well, this mountain, they took about 2.5 million years and several ice age for these mountains to form what you're actually seeing today. About 420 million years ago, Glencoe was a super volcano place. Big eruption happened in Glencoe was 12 times the size of Mount Highland eruption. You really need to go and dig your history book and learn more about this place. And I tell you what, it will always surprise you. Maybe this might not be known to many. It wasn't also known in my history knowledge, but I've recently just found out that there was this thing that happened which is called the Glencoe massacre. It's a very horrifying story of history I learned where a lot of men, women and children were killed. Now the road that I'm actually traveling onto, as you can see, it's a single track road, so you got to be careful and have to have a bit of patience on oncoming traffic. So there are like pass lay-by, like where you can actually stop to let the cars go. Normally the traffic isn't too bad, except in summer it can get a bit hectic, but that's okay. I mean, Scottish drivers and the people around Scotland who drives are pretty decent normally at giving away, so things are pretty nice and easy when you're driving on one of these roads. Times that I normally pick are normally off-peak times, and that's when I travel down. To be fair with you, the traffic was bad at the time when I was traveling. I've actually done this road more than 12 to 15 times now, and I tell you what, I still have not got enough of driving through this road. Regardless, I mean, the drive on this roads is purely amazing. As you can see, now we are just coming up to the famous scene location from the James Bond movie Skyfall. This is where it was shot. That's where his Aston Martin was parked. In the movie, it's M and 007 stand side by side looking over the landscape of Glencoe. Due to this cinematic scene which was taken in this place, there was an increased amount of people trying to get to this location and trying to recreate this scene by standing next to the car, just like how James Bond did in the movie. And apparently it's been creating a lot of erosion where the scene was taken. Yeah guys, so let me know what you guys think of this particular road, and if you've been there, what is it that you like about it, and also drop a place name or a road name where you think I should visit next. Here you can actually see that I'm heading back to where I started from. It's literally the same road, A82 back. It's just absolutely beautiful around. Sun setting, the color of the sky, the road itself, the view just makes the whole driving experience just as good as it can get. If you are a driving enthusiast, therefore I would say you gotta give this road a try. It is one of the nicest road in Scotland. The weather's been beautiful that day when I was traveling. Wonderful. This is an excellent place for holidaymakers, solo travelers, or somebody who wanna get away for the weekend. So it was a great drive on the route A82, definitely one of my favorite here in the UK. I would highly recommend you guys to try this route. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have liked this video, give it a little thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you for next time. Goodbye.